Hey guys, I'm showing you this refrigerator drip catcher. This is a refrigerator drip tray for water tray, fridge water dispenser drip tray, and prevents your water splashes, non-slip silicone dispenser, and the drip collector. So this is for the GE um, refrigerator that I'm trying to use, and this also have this tube one if you want to cut it for a different size. It's very nice silicone material that you can see soft and clean, and it can hold all the water inside. This is soft as well, and you can cut this one if you need to fit in the prime. So I'm just putting it on my refrigerator. This just goes well with the size. It's less little bitter, but it can catch the water or the ice from the dispenser.